guys, and welcome back to our channel. It's just gonna be me today, clearly because it's about hair. I'm gonna be doing a review on this wig that I got from DYHAIR777, and they sent me a mail that they wanted to send me this hair so I could try it out and give a review about it. I haven't been able to do it in a long time. I just got the chance to. So yeah, so I received this hair through DHL. It came in a DHL bag, and when I took it out, the hair was in one of their bags, the DYHAIR777 bags. It's kind of a cute bag, I guess. So I took the hair out, and it was in some sort of protective net, and it came with some eyelashes, which I'm not really a fan of because it's plasticky, so I don't think I'm gonna try it. And then this card that gave their social media handles and how to take care of the hair. I think something about how to wash it and not ironing it so much, and blah 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 blah. Quite a lot of things. I didn't really read it anyway, so I was eager to try out the hair. And it's not a full lace wig, it's a frontal wig, so that means it came with the frontal and the back was sewn in. It was big when they first bought it, so I put in an elastic band to help it secure around my head, but it was still big. So I tried their own bands that they added to the wig. I tried to tie it somehow so it could fit the back of my head so it doesn't move when I wear the wig. So it's fine now. Then I cut off the front lace, got my glue. This is my first time trying on a frontal wig or a wig that needed any kind of glue, and I wouldn't say it was difficult because I watched other people's videos, other reviews and other tutorials to try and learn how to do it. It took me a while, but I think I got the hang of it. So I was able to get the hair installed. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is on tight. No matter how I pull it, it's on tight. And I got my edges on and I parted it more. I didn't flat iron it because they give a warning that if you flat iron the hair too much, you're gonna damage it. So since I got it, I have never flat ironed it, and I haven't washed it yet. I haven't done any of those things yet. So if I use this hair for a long time, or like to a point, I'm gonna try and make another review on how the hair is. But so far it shreds a lot. That I'll tell you, you would have hair flying around everywhere if you attempt to comb this hair. But I think it's pretty normal for hair to shred. I don't know, most of the hair that I get, it tends to shred, so this is not really a big deal for me. And when you use it, try and comb it often or else it gets tangled up. I think that's what I've also noticed. Not tangled up so much that when you comb it it's really hard, but then quite a bit. And I've combed this already, so now when I pass my hand through it, and it's really soft. That's what I like about the hair. It's excessively soft, like to feel. You can run your hand through it and all this good stuff. So I love it, and I think it looks good. So I'm gonna keep it on for a while to see how long it can last. So DYHAIR777, thank you. And I want you guys to be able to get this hair as well. This particular wig is 130% density Brazilian straight hair with a lace frontal. So it's 20 inches. Yeah, 20 inches. So it reaches like right here, as you can see. So I'm gonna add the link to this particular wig in the description below. Sorry, I keep looking at myself in the mirror. because I'm feeling this hair. Anyway, so I'm going to put the link to this particular wig in the description below, and if you want to get either wig, hair bundles, just frontal, whatever you need, just visit their websites. I'm going to put it down below also. It's just www.DYHAIR777.com, but I'm going to put it down below so you can just follow and go to their page. And if you want to buy any hair, I'm going to give you guys a coupon code they gave me so you can get 10% off anything you buy. Anything you buy, okay, 10% off. And the code is 5695 5695. So when you're buying the hair and you go through all the process, just click that you have a coupon code and key it in so you get 10% off. I want you guys to get the hair so that you can tell, like, it's really good hair. And I'm really not a fan of buying hair because it gets pretty expensive. People buy hair and they give it all types of names, and then you go and ask and it's ridiculously expensive. So just visit the page and see what I'm talking about. Compare the rates to when you buy hair on Instagram and stuff to buying it now on this page. And I think it's reasonable. It's pretty good. If you compare the cost of buying even just hair and then making it into a wig and all that, it's quite high, because this hair is $80, I think. Yeah, $80. Let me convert that to Ghana cedis so that you guys can see. I think 80 times 4.7. So this hair is 376. Okay, you will get 10% off if you use my code, and I think it's reasonable. I mean, this is actually Brazilian hair, because you go and buy hair from Facebook and Instagram or somewhere else, and you wear it once and you can't wear it again, or you wear it and then it's all hard and shit. So I'm not trying to push you guys to buy this hair. I like trying stuff and being honest about it and telling you guys where I did it, where I got it, and all those things. This is my honest opinion. Okay, I've told you guys the truth. It shreds a bit. If you don't comb it, it tends to gets tangled up a bit. But other than that, it is super soft. And even for first timers that haven't tried frontal before, this was my first time, and I got it. So I think everybody can try this hair on. Okay, just visit the website. It's in the link below. It's in the description below, and try and get yourself any of the hair with my coupon code. So yes, I'll hopefully make another review after I've used this hair for a long time to tell you guys what's up with it. Is it really worth it or not? But for the meantime, check out the page and see if you can get yourself a little something. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell right by it to get notified every time we post a video, and comment down in the section below to let me know you subscribe, and you will get a shout out at the end of the video. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. Follow us on our social media pages. Follow me at 2_Jasmine 2_. Follow babe at I am Kiki Montana on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and also follow our joint account Kiki and J for Life, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, even Facebook. Yes, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on some other video. Peace.